Do you want to say goodbye to Doomsaw? Then contact Silver's Trading and Imports. Yes, quality lithium battery. This is a 20 kilowatt lithium battery. Yes, it was just delivered to me. Yeah, a customer bought one and I bought one for myself. And this is mine. I have to open and check what I bought versus what I received. So this is the 20 kilowatt lithium battery. It's very massive, very heavy. In fact, we were 8 people who brought this from the truck, and the weight is 315 kilogram, which is about 6.5 bags of cement. And this lithium battery amazingly came with 70 solar cables. Yeah, I've not seen such a supplier before, because most of my suppliers, they used to bring 35 and this time I changed the supplier because this supplier was running a promotion. I said, let him buy this battery and add it to my 15 kilowatt, and I bought this 20 kilowatt, added it to mine, and the battery is massive. It's massive. So if I'm to rate this battery